that dusty old town where the sun always shines. There's a girl with a smile that could light up the pine. She's got a heart as wide as the open road, and a love for big trucks that never gets old. Trucks and girls rolling down the highway, windows down, radio playing live-side getaway. She's the queen of the diesel, princess of chrome. Together they're unstoppable, driving far from home. He's a trucker by day, a poet by night. His rigs his canvas and the road's his life. He dreams her after the way she dances in the rain, as he shifts those gears, chasing love's sweet refrain. Underneath the moon they share secrets untold. In the cab of his Peterbilt their hearts unfold. She whispers, drive me to the edge of the world, and he revs that engine, let love unfurl. To ascension, let love unfurl. Trucks in another world, driving far from home. So here's to the truckers and the girls who believe in love that's as rugged as an old John Deere. She's the queen of the diesel, the princess of chrome. Together they're unstoppable, driving far from home. So here's to the truckers and the girls who believe in love that's as rugged as an old John Deere.